I was Samanar. So I unable to make last Thursday Friday video, post market video. But whatever. But anyway, I made a video on Saturday about world market perspective, a glance on world market. So if at all you are not seen this video, please have a look on that video. So today, what it list Nifty signifies is in last two session also, until unless Nifty closes above 26,000 on weekly basis. Again, I am saying on weekly basis, until unless it closes 26,000 and above, we cannot expect the bullish trend. It is very it facing very toughness at 26,000, so it is much needed closing, weekly basis closing. Let me see, there are possibilities still, we no need to lose the hope. Every detail we will see in the chart. So if you see the advanced decline ratio also still around 1.5, one is one ratio, that is good, and 52 week high, 52 week low, upper circuit, everything looks not bad, though it is not very good, but it's not bad, we can say that. Similarly, we see the four stocks, F&O stocks, everyone will see, everything we will see one by one. Before the disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are for educational purpose, just to sharing my views, that's it. So always a good trader or investor have to do their own study and analysis, have to take their own decision. So before going to the video, please, a request, please do subscribe and like. Right. So today, if you see Nifty 41 point positively closed, and large cap 76 point, mid cap 170 points, small cap 120 points, and micro cap 254 point, it is positively closed. The concern is VIX. So though VIX in Nifty possibly close, it has to be go in the negative side, but 4.28% it is it has positively closed actually at 12.67. So this is one concern. But to offset this concern, what I see is the mid cap and small cap, micro cap participation. So this participation is very good. So this is very important for overall trend of bullish trend of the market. So this looks very bullishness actually. So this, so we no need to concern about Nifty because of this reason, and VIX. So this giving a what you say, a balanced perspective. So it doesn't give any negativity. At the same time, no positivity also. So it give a neutral stance. Let me see tomorrow any positivity sign. The Nifty Bank today 325 point positively closed. Nifty IT almost a flat close. So about sectoral indices, reality made a very good closing. 2.23% is positively closed. Pharma 1.20 and healthcare 0.97, almost 1% is positively closed. So the negative side we can see FMCG and consumer durable. Consumer durable minus 0.29. So almost we can take this as a flat, we can say that. So overall, if you see the sectoral wise also, a slight bullishness I am able to see. There is no negativity. So this and all we will confirm in the chart also. So if you see Nifty, I keep on saying that 25,650 is the very strong support. I said today it came to 25,446. Almost it touched the support, and from there it is regained 100 points and closed at 25,763. So this should not break. The closing should not be below this one. So I hope the way it regained the 100 point today, it shows some bullishness. I hope tomorrow on the trend may change. There are high possibilities. Similarly, if you see the bank Nifty, so we didn't able to see any negativity. The 57,500 will be the very strong support. So it's quite away from that support. So that gives some positive perspective. Let me see. The candle also very good bullish candle. We able to say that. So definitely it make a progress. That's how it seems. Then if you see the Nifty IT, I see the candle is very doji candle, and if you see the last 10 days session, there is no big negativity. So there is some profit booking or some doubt, we can say that, in that sector, but I hope definitely it will regain and go in the higher side. If at all in the downside, the target downside support rate is 35,000, and the higher side, the first level support, resistance would be 37, and second level resistance would be 39,000. Then mid and small 400, one of reliable and reliable index. It give a very good market perspective. This is one of my favorite indexes. It is comprises mid cap and small cap, mid cap 150 and small cap 250, collectively a single index. So it give this index shows that very good bullishness. 20,600 is the strong resistance. So it is close to that resistance and traveling towards it. There is no negativity able to see in this indices. So in this, sorry, this index. So this is very much important. So if you see the overall our market, there is no negativity. At the same time, we couldn't able to see big positivity. Something we can say that it's a neutral or consolidation kind of, but there is possibilities it will regain and turn into the higher side. In my last video also I made a statement that there is high possibility that in November end, before November end, Nifty may touch 27,000. Still I hope that until unless the current government not losing that Bihar election. So only that would be the hurdle point. Otherwise, there are high possibilities. Still, I don't have any change in that status quo. I am maintaining on that. Okay, well, now we will see our big brother market. Yes. So Dow is around the all-time high zone. Similarly, if you see the S&P 500 also all-time high zone, and NASDAQ Composite Index also at all-time high zone. So there is no negativity. If at all you are not seeing that a glance of world market in the last Saturday's video, you will see that I clearly mentioned that there is no negativity even in the world market also. So there are some profit booking happens here and there. So that's what had happened last Friday and Saturday. So I hope still there are a lot of chances both the market, US market and our market progress in the higher side. Okay, so now we will see the four stock. We will used to see that two stock in F&O gainer, top two gainers and losers. So with that perspective, we will see Shriram Finance and HFCL. We won't consider a penny stock idea. Then in the losing side, Patanjali and Maruti. So this we will see one by one. So first we will see the Shriram Finance. So it is a very good, this stocks in very good momentum, and today 6.35% it is close to positively. If you see the weekly chart, it clearly traveling in the upper side channel. So the target would be 850. Now we will see HFCL. So if you see the HFCL multiple time, it's straight to crosses the 78. So 78 is the very strong resistance, and today it is close to 5.44 percentage and very close to the resistance zone. So and the candle clearly shows this bullishness. I hope now by this time it will break this resistance and start to progress in the higher side. Patanjali. So today this stock closed to minus 4%. The important, it is at the important support level. 5,000, sorry, 580 is important support. Closed at 578 today, just 2 points below. So we can consider still at support level. Why? Because the low today day low is 565. So if you see that tail, it shows that some bullishness. So I hope it won't break this. If at all it breaks, the next support would be 540. So I hope this will take a support here and turn on the higher side. In near long term, I think this may form like a cup like pattern. Let me see. Then Maruti. So Maruti, the strong support was 14,800. Though this stock closed minus 3.31% today, still it's very well away from the support zone. So the present price also minor support. I hope this won't break that 14,800. Until it doesn't break, we don't need to worry about this. So if at all you are considering all these four stocks, please do your own study analysis and take your own decision. So with this we wind up this video. It's a request once again, please do subscribe and like. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.